In order to connect to Wi-Fi, first we need to connect to the tecla-e device through the Tecla app. The Tecla app is available for iOS devices in the App Store and Android devices in Google Play. Go into the menu and click on Tecla-e. When the Tecla-e is listed, click on Tecla-e followed by a string of characters to connect. Listed now are the areas that you can customize with your Tecla-e, including upgrading the firmware, connecting with Wi-Fi, device status, remote monitoring, and switch configurations. The exclamation mark next to Wi-Fi network indicates that the Tecla-e is not connected to a wireless network. So, when we select Wi-Fi network, we will see a list of available networks within range that we can connect with. Select the network that you want to connect with. In this case, we will connect with the Tecla network, and type in your network's password. Once Tecla-e is connected to the network, you will see a happy face to confirm the connection and will now be able to control smart appliances via Wi-Fi at home. To learn more, visit gettecla.com.